So in this episode we are going to do three things. We are going to finish off the lid and the cover for the cistern for the rainwater, and we're also going to make everything look nice around the garden tap. And we have a small water problem around where we are going to build a storage space which fills up with water now, and I want to make some kind of drainage to take the water out of it. So as you can see here, we have a little bit of a swimming pool. This is where we're going to build some storage later when we get the permission from the commune. But in the meantime we have some trouble with water here. So I'm gonna try to connect something that takes the water into this one and out to the street. Let's figure out where to make the hole in this in the concrete. So I'm gonna go to the store and pick up one last thing that I forgot. Actually, I thought I had it, but it turned out to be a smaller dimension, so I need to go one more time. So come along. Another job is this one. This is the cistern, or the opening for the cistern, where all the rainwater goes, where we had some problems last time I was here. And you can see that I grouted it, so I'm going to grind that and make it look nice. That is going to happen one of the days this week when things dry up. And you can see there's an extra stone on top of here. And we're going to cut that and replace this stone because it's a bit too short. But I'm gonna use a little piece of this stone, I think, to glue down here as a support. And then we're going to make all of this look nice, and then I'm going to put some grout here and try to make everything be perfect. So that is the second job that we have to do this week. Of course didn't go to plan. I really don't know what to do with this. I'm going to the store, to the build shop in maybe 15-20 minutes, and I will see if I can figure something out that I can mount. This is the water cistern. Here's where the rainwater come out, and the small pipe there is where the water from the AC unit comes out. So I need to place some kind of support here, maybe. I'm not really sure. So that this stone that's gonna lay on top of here has something to rest on. And I tried to do it with stone here yesterday, but that didn't work, it broke. I have this metal list that you use when you're tiling, and I'm thinking maybe I can get something done with that. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna try and we'll see what happens. So we're finally going to glue this, and I have bought this one, and let's hope this works this time. Let's see. lunch today?
Well, some chicken, cauliflower and zucchini on the barbecue. Lemon marinated, of course, because that is the theme of this season. So everything we can have lemon with, we will. And lemon water, perhaps.
So as you can see behind me, I have some really ugly pipes here. It's like, doesn't really fit in, does it? So my plan is to cover this up with something similar that I have down here. And yeah, let's see if it works out. glass, obviously I'm going to make it tight to the wall here with some grouts. But I have to say, I think it looked a lot better than it did before with the awful blue water line going there. Quite an improvement, I would say. What do you think?